Hello everyone. Welcome to the Disley Sisters Creations. My name is Linda and today I am going to be picking the winner for my September yarn giveaway. I'm recording it on Wednesday as I go away on Friday, and the winner is going to be announced actually on Sunday, which is actually my birthday. So I'm going to be in Istanbul when the video goes live. So I'm so excited. So just to refresh your memories, this month was the special month, obviously. So I've got a little bit of a special giveaway. So we have got tapestry needles, Be Kind keyring, a crochet hook, stitch markers. We've got a Zing 80 centimeters 3mm circular needle, and then let me just put that all in there out the way so I don't lose it. And then we have got two of Ducky Darlings sock yarn, which it's called, it's not Terry's, it's mine, which is a superwash merino nylon stellina, 100 grams, 425 meters, and it's really lovely autumnal colors, which is what we need because autumn's here, guys. Autumn is here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the computer and we're going to pick the lucky winner. Okay, this is the video and I've copied the URL. We're going to go to YouTube random.org and I am going to put the link in, paste it, then we're going to add comment replies, filter for duplicate users, calculate the sum and get the comments. 168 comments. Wow. So good luck everybody, and thank you all so much for entering September's giveaway. So let's see who the lucky winner is. Michelle's Happy Ever yarn. Happy birthday, Linda. I heard that Ducky Darling yarn is super soft and the colours are like pumpkin spice. Have a fabulous time and take care. Well, congratulations, Michelle. Woohoo! Michelle's Happy Ever yarn. Congratulations, sweetheart. Email me at this address with your postal address, and you have 7 days to reply to me, or you will forfeit your prize, and then I'll have to pick somebody else. But congratulations, Michelle. Please contact me within 7 days. So yes, so October is coming up, and I'm going to Turkey. So October's a bit of a special month for me because it's 3 years since I joined the Yarny Fibre community, and I'm going to have some special yarn like I did for this month for October to celebrate my 3 years within the Yarny Fibre community, and it'll be yarn that I purchased from Turkey. So do come back the first Sunday in October and see what that is, what the yarn giveaway is. I want to thank each and every one of you for all your birthday wishes. They mean so much to me, so thank you. Also, I am 200, is it 200? Yeah, I'm 200 subscribers away from getting to 6,000. So once I get to 6,000, there will be another special giveaway. June and I are going to be doing a live on the 26th of October to celebrate my 3 years, which will be a live show, and we've got 3 giveaways in that. So you really need to be in the chat to enter that, but I will do a separate, once I hit 6k, then I will do a special giveaway to one of my subscribers. So thank you all so much. Thank you to all my long-standing subscribers, also to my new subscribers, welcome and thank you, and also my members. Thank you guys, you are amazing, as is all my subscribers are, and I hope you have a really fabulous end of September and have a fabulous weekend. I know I will. And I'll see you all again real soon. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye-bye for now. Hala smile, Dick.